Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about CHIEFTEC Hunter 3 and Night Hunter gaming cases. So friends, CHIEFTEC has introduced the Hunter 3 GH03B OP and Night Hunter GH03B BLK gaming case, both supporting back connected motherboard ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero compatible, and the CHIEFTEC Hunter 3 improved on the Hunter 2 series featuring a wider and sturdy chassis measuring 440 into 238 into 450 mm and tempered glass side panel and perforated steel front panel with removable dust filter and improved radiator support, and the new internal layout allow up to 360 radiator in the front and top, and CPU cooler up to 178 mm tall and graphics card up to 425 mm long, and it comes with 120 mm A-RGB fans already pre-installed and linked to a hub to sync with motherboard and control fan speed, and the front IO panel feature 1 into USB 3.2 generation 2 Type-C port and 2 into USB 3.0 audio output and mic input, and the CHIEFTEC Night Hunter gaming case in a blackout airflow focus variant on the Hunter 3 gaming case. The main difference being the 4 pre-installed 140 mm fans, no RGB, versus Hunter 3 120 mm A-RGB. Both can support Mini ITX, microATX, ATX, and E-ATX motherboard, and plenty of internal drive base 3 into 2.5 inch and 1 into 3.5 and 2 into 2.5 and 2 into 3.5 inches. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.